Hey guys, so today it is Friday, September 11th, 2020, and so doing some Papa John's. And, oh, that's the wings. This is our papadillas. Alright, you guys. Papa John's. Guys, so happy Friday. So today it is Friday, September 11th, 2020. It is just past 11 o'clock. And so lest we forget, and so I had an evening shift today and I was hungry and then I had a craving for something, but I just had Chinese food and all that, so did not want to do that again, and so somehow I craving for Papa John's, and so I haven't shown Papa John's on my channel for like forever, and so apparently according to my account profile, it is still the very first address that I moved to since me and my ex broke up. So it's been quite a while, and so right away I ordered this papadillas because quite a while ago I saw Eat with Karen try the papadillas and I've never had the chance to try it. Very expensive though. It's like $10 for this, the deal. I'll just put the wings there for now. So this thing is very, very small. This thing is very, very small, you guys. So this is the Italian one. So it's like a pizza wrapped into a quesadilla. I did not really feel like having a whole pizza because right now in the fridge, there's not much room to hold leftovers right now. And I got their honey mustard sauce. I honestly haven't ordered Papa John's for a long time. It's sort of forgot in my memory for a long time. And so this is what it looks like. So I just wanted something small for the evening. Nothing too major. Because you guys know I'm not really a fan of Tex-Mex stuff much, so this is like the sort of best in both worlds. And this is like some Italian, got like sausage and pepperoni and stuff in it. So I had a short evening shift today, and so I ate the leftover Chinese food before I went to work, so I did not go to work with empty stomach today, but I just don't know why I was so hungry when I came back home from work. The texture of the crust is really good. It is not very greasy. Because you guys know some pizza places are very greasy. But honestly, I wouldn't pay more than $10 for this meal. And the Dr. Pepper, the deal, it comes with the drink for $10. I haven't had a Dr. Pepper in forever. Really nice. Like, I just wanted to order the papadillas for $10, but then it's like I wasn't too sure about it. And so that is why I also ordered the wings. Am I ever glad, because I did not know it was so small. The one that Eat with Karen had seemed to be in a way bigger one. Because, like, when you order the personal size pizzas, those are way too small. And then they barely put any toppings on those. But I guess this is the same idea as a personal size pizza, but they just folded it in half. I haven't seen much YouTubers recently do Papa John's for a while. So that's why I decided to throw out a Papa John's video. And then I did not do vlog at all this week. I just don't know. I just feel very low energy this week. And so tonight my dad is going home from the hospital after being there for a whole month. And my dad has to do a further home care and stuff at home. I don't know why I feel so famished today. For my coffee breaks, I ate the granola bars. I had 2 granola bars today. So I did eat something. I never understand this pepper. Yeah, so it's a payday week for me, and so these days, like since I've became single, I am just way less stressed about money. I've never seen much YouTubers do this Papadias thing besides Eat with Karen. And then so I ordered the Louise Penny book at the bookstore online with a few other items. And so I don't know why I ordered it at the same time and none of them said it was out of stock and they still shipped it out separately. It is so annoying. To me, this would be like a snack. And then I almost forgot that I had a Papa John's account, and so I remembered to sign in. They changed their website layout like since the last time, and so I had to figure out how to do the layout. And the last time, the Papa John's never had it, but now the Papa John's, they have a pizza tracker as well. So this morning I had McDonald's for breakfast, and then now I'm having Papa John's. 2 meals ordering out. Oh well. Like, I was thinking about Domino's. The Domino's is a little bit cheaper than Papa John's, but Domino's has a boring menu. These are the honey chipotle wings. I forgot how good the wings at Papa John's are. Like, I think I got the craving because I saw Lady T. She recently did a Wingstop video. Very nice and meaty wings. And so apparently, there's some basketball game going on tonight. Some of the young kids at work was following it. It must be weird for the players, hey? It's like they play the game, but there's like no crowds at the stadium. It must be so weird. These wings are so hot and fresh. And sticky. Like, I wish that Papa John's allowed to do like half and half, like choose different flavors for the one order. I don't know why they offer the dipping sauces when this wings is like saucy already. But isn't it honey chipotle supposed to be like a spicy sauce? Because all I can taste is the honey. It's starting to get a bit overwhelming. Very sticky. And so I put my order in for the delivery for groceries on Monday. Because Monday is like my only day off. So I stocked up on snacks for work and stuff like that again. This is one hot, sticky mess. So this afternoon, because this last week we had a new roommate coming in here for the upstairs. She is like this Chinese girl. And so I was upstairs doing my laundry, and then so had a nice conversation with her. And it's like, because I want to practice my Mandarin, my Chinese Mandarin, so I had a nice Chinese conversation with her, and she wants to practice her English. So she was like talking English to me. And so apparently the girl is from Mongolia. So I really hope that from her, I can really brush up my Mandarin a bit. And then she gonna learn English from me. Because apparently she is taking some English courses, but everything is done online right now. So it's actually hard for her to practice her English with somebody. And then I actually told her that her English is very good because a lot of Chinese people from communist China, they have a very strong accent when they talk English. Like, she really doesn't have much of an accent. Besides, she just struggles to find words to put in the sentence. Sticky. Like, sometimes it is nice to have roommates like that, so like you can learn from each other and stuff like that, and you can have somebody to talk to and stuff like that. And so yeah, so like I learned the Mandarin from her and she learns English from me. very sticky mess, you guys. So this papadillas is okay, but a little bit small, so you're gonna need something else just to make it a little bit better. And so yeah, the papadillas actually gets a thumbs up. So like if you guys like have lunch break or something or whatever, the papadillas is like just the right amount of food. And so yeah, so thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys, and don't forget to check out all my other older videos on my playlist on my channel, and I will see you in the next one.